How to share a PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in mobile. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can share the PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp in your mobile. So simply let's get started. So like you can see, I have this PowerPoint presentation whom I want to share it on WhatsApp on my mobile. So for that you will have to firstly open your WhatsApp app and move to the contact list whom you want to share this presentation. So likewise I'm sharing it to myself. So from here, you'll have to click on this attachment option just at the bottom right corner of your screen. So it's beside the camera roll option. So simply you have to tap on this attachment option. And from here, you will have to click document. Okay, so from here, browse the document. Okay, so from here, you will have to choose the presentation whom you want to send it on WhatsApp. So simply, I'm choosing this presentation. So simply click on it. Okay, so after then, you will have to click on the send option. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully shared the PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp on my mobile. So likewise, you can also share the PowerPoint presentation on your WhatsApp mobile. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.